Tell me honestly, when you speak English, do you stop and think, bring, brought, bringing, brings? Which one to use? Why so many forms? Don't worry. Today we will make it very easy. Namaste everyone. In our spoken English classes, we are learning verb forms step by step. Today we will continue with part 4. No need to worry. No need to hurry. Just listen, repeat and slowly practice. Okay, your spoken English will improve step by step. Okay, let's start. Bring, brought, bringing, brings. Next, catch, caught, catching, catches. Next, drive, drove, driven, driving, drives. Next, find, found, finding, finds. Next, give, gave, given, giving, gives. Next, have, had, having, has. Okay. Next, lead, led, leading, leads. Next, make, made, making, makes. Next, rise, rose, risen, rising, rises. Okay. Next, sing, sang, sung, singing, sings. Okay. Now your turn. What is past of bring? Yes. Past of bring is brought. Okay. Next, what is third form of drive? Third form of drive is driven. Okay. See, one verb has many forms. Why? Because when we speak, we talk about time, past, present and now. That's why these forms are important. Don't worry about mistakes. Mistakes are part of learning. The more you try, the better you will speak. Clear? Now, I have a small task for you. What is the past form of sing? Next is make one sentence using make. M-A-K-E, make. Write your answers in the comment section. I will read your answers. Okay? Practice these verb forms today. And in the next class, we will learn another important grammar part, which will make your spoken English even better. Okay? Stay connected. Thank you. Namaste. Bye bye.